Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture for class 7, Geography, Chapter 6, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Students, today we will study about Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest. Student, all of us studied that east and northeast margin of the continents are covered with tropical evergreen and deciduous forest. West and southwest of continent is covered with Mediterranean vegetation. The region around the Mediterranean Ocean, the region around the Mediterranean Sea, such as Europe, Asia, Africa, is known as Mediterranean vegetation. Why? As these vegetation are occurred near the Mediterranean Sea. That's why this got its name. Outside the Mediterranean Sea also have Mediterranean vegetation, such as California in USA, West Africa, Southwest South America, and Western Australia have Mediterranean vegetation. Student, these places are hot and dry summer. These places experience hot and dry summer season and mild rainfall. And these places are very favorable for producing citrus fruits such as olives, orange, grapes, and you will be surprised to know that original vegetation means resident of these places removed original vegetation to produce citrus fruits. And Mediterranean region or Mediterranean vegetation are called orchards of the world. Do you know orchard? Orchard means garden of fruits, the place where fruits are produced, and these places produce fruits in large quantity. That's why these places are considered as orchard of the world. Students, plants in Mediterranean vegetation adapted themselves its bark is very thick and leaves are wax coated. That's why they reduce conservation. They reduce evaporation or transpiration of water. Student, now we shall move to coniferous forest. At a higher latitude, 50 to 70, and higher altitude also, coniferous forests are found. Remember Salima's story. Salima, when she went at higher places in Himalaya, she found coniferous forest. And woods of these forests are soft, means these forests produce soft wood. Cedar, pine are the trees found in this forest. These trees are used to make pulp, from which papers, newsprints, and the notebook you use are made. This was also used for making. This is also used for making matchbox and packaging box. Student, tomorrow we will study about grassland. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona.